Camille. It's okay. They say into 4. You're now cutting it into smaller piece. torí pé ó ti kú yẹn sí lára ẹ̀ ṣe ń white. Ṣèbí ṣìnsìn ẹ̀ ṣì kú wá. Lára ẹ̀ ti ń white nísinsìnyí. Guys, this is the second time I'll be going outside to pick somebody. People are already coming in. Hi guys, good morning. It's a new day. I just woke up. I woke up. No, I did not just wake up. I woke up about 30 minutes ago. And I feel very sick. I feel terribly sick. And I've been seeing signs, but I decided to ignore. So this morning, I'm going to be taking herbs. The herbs you saw me cooking. You saw me and my cousin cooking the other day. So I'm going to be taking the herbs today. Ever since they cooked the herbs, I've only drank out of it once. So I'm going to be taking it this morning before I eat anything. So because I don't like the way I'm feeling at all. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. So I said I'm going to make this video when I'm in a more good state, when I'm in a more um when I'm in a more better state, because I've been feeling some type of way for some minutes now. I don't know if I'm the only one this happens to. Whenever it rains, I'm always in this very bad mood, very bad state. I'm always feeling sad, lonely, and all of that. It's always, I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way. And I think it's kind of weird to always feel sad, to always feel my spirit will just like it will just go from 100 to like 5. Like I don't know how to explain myself, but I really hope you understand what I am trying to say. Like I'm always feeling sad, especially if I'm now broke. Oh Father in heaven, it should now be worst. I can start crying. And if you ask me what's wrong, I won't be able to like pinpoint what's wrong. I won't be able to say exactly what was wrong, but I'll just know I am sad. I'll just start having mood swings. And by the way, it just stopped raining. It's been raining for quite some days now. And let me use this opportunity to wish you guys a happy new month. This is my birth month. We are gonna be 32 this month. I'm getting old. And that's one thing I don't always want to hear, that I'm getting old. Where did they born me that I'm already clocking 32? Asao. Asasao. When did they give birth to me? They gave birth to me like 3 days ago. Now I am turning 32 in 20 days' time. You guys, thanks for listening to my rant. Bye.
This afternoon, my name is Martins. Engineer, can you please help me? Yeah, just remove the echo and put echo. Remove the echo and put echo. God bless you. All these engineer, they too sabi. See as I talk and do God will bless you. I say God will bless you. Your first born will resemble your landlord. I don't know how you want to take long. All right, more than all that prayer now. Imagine naming your son.
What happened?
God, the name is let me draw my. No, I'm just saying.
What happened?
If you name your child Shino and he decided to join
Why you say you want to eat like this? You don't want again. You don't want. But you said you wanted to eat like this.
I'm not saying no be Shino. So Shino will go join Bansa.
It's not what?
Now you name the speak for.
It's not taste nice.
If you name your son Goke
But I
and he
told you not
decided
to
to
eat
join
it, so
Nepal,
lollies.
is it wrong with him? Not Goke means. You can call me, save it with MC90. Yes, 080-23-58.
Who drank out of it? You.
The situation is different. How many of you would like to go to bed for heaven? Let me hear you shall go back to me.